Sarah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I am here with a review as well as a tutorial on the new L'Oreal Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. This is it right here, which looks like this. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm so excited. I can't even tell you guys what I think about it. If you guys have seen me use it, I'm loving it. So yes, before you go, if you guys can just tag Larly on Twitter. She posted a tweet saying that if you guys see any tutorials, let her know. So if you guys could really let her know about this tutorial, I would really appreciate it. I would love for her to share it and see it. But yes, without further ado, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe down below. If you guys want to hear my review on this, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the palette right here. This is from the brand L'Oreal Los Angeles. I have all information down below. I'm sure you guys know who she is already. But she recently just came out with a second palette, and this is it right here called Nudie Patootie. Are you ready? Look how gorgeous this is. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get my hands on it. So this is it right here. This is what the packaging looks like. So the box is bright and nude. I think this is such a classic packaging. It has that glossy finish on the top, and then here is the palette itself. It's the same as the box. You have that nude ombre from dark pink to light pink, and then you have that glossy finish saying Nudie Patootie, and then you have on the corner here L'Oreal Los Angeles. If I came out with a makeup line, this is something that I would do. It's so classy, it's so unique, and it's so just beautiful. And I hate when palettes come out with gaudy packaging. This one is just perfect. I love it. So gorgeous. Congratulations. Amazing job on this. So this is what the colors look like inside. As you see, they're very neutral shades, but you also have shades to create a really smoky eye, which I really do enjoy. Neutral shades or dark shades to create a daytime to nighttime look, which is perfect. If you guys do want to see a neutral look on this palette, let me know down below. But today I went ahead and created this look, and I am loving it. The color I have on my lid right here is called Jaybird. The colors blend so effortlessly, as you guys will see in the tutorial. Cut creases are very hard to do, but with these, they were so easy. They blended like a dream. All the shades were so creamy. You can feel it as you're dipping your brush into it, how creamy it was. There was no powdery kick up to it, but overall, this palette is absolutely amazing. I don't want to keep this too long, so if you guys are debating about getting this, I highly recommend it. I'll leave their site down below in case you guys do want to purchase this. Highly recommend you do. Probably the best palette I ever had. I am loving this right now. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this palette. If you guys want to see this look right here, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so going right into the L'Oreal Los Angeles Nudie Patootie palette. The first color I am taking is the shade Bear. It's a really nice peachy pinky shade. I'm taking that and I'm buffing that directly into my crease, winging it out a little bit to get that cup crease shape. The next color I am taking is the shade Strip. It's a really pretty yellowy orangey shade, and I'm taking that and applying this a little bit above that first shade that we used, just so it pops through the look. Now taking the shade Butt Naked, it's a light brown shade, and with a pointed fluffy brush, I'm applying this directly into that crease and once again winging it out. Now with the shade Nakey Nakey, it's a dark brown shade. I'm taking a more defined brush and doing the same exact thing I did with that other shade. Now with my concealer, I'm carving out my lid and into that crease area. This really makes sure the look is nice and cleaned up. Now with the shade Jaybird, I'm taking that and applying this all over my entire lid. Now I'm taking any black liquid liner and doing a wing. I already went ahead into the rest of my face and popped on some lashes. Now to finish up the look, I'm going back into that shade Nakey Nakey and popping this underneath my lash line. Then going back in with the shade Stripped and Bare and doing the same exact thing, applying this underneath that brown shade to really smoke it out. Now with the shade Stark, it's a really nice shimmer white shade. I'm popping that right in my inner corner as well as my brow bone. And last, it is popping on some bottom mascara. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as tag Laura and tweet her about this tutorial. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!